Biological fallacy is poisoning the well. Okay, the description of it is to commit a preemptive ad hominem attack against an opponent. That is to prime the audience with adverse information about the opponent from the start, an attempt to make your claim more acceptable or discount the credibility of your opinion's claim. So it's basically saying it's a bias or a negative opinion about someone or something that makes the audience believe your opinion instead before they actually get to know the other one. It's appeal to ethos because you're basically like discontinuing the credibility of someone or something, and it's appeal to hate because it's usually negative. Examples in politics. It's very prominent in political campaigns. For example, my opponent has donated millions to oil companies. He has supported drilling for oil in protected locations. Now he is going to come and present his energy plan, but let me remind you, he comes as a wolf in sheep's clothing. So, in political campaigns, it's usually like one opponent says something negative about the other before the other person actually gets a chance to talk. And then an everyday example. Oh, you're seeing Dr. Thomas, he really gives me the creeps, so just watch out. Okay, it's very prevalent in history, and it's also happening today. Like, for example, in history, African Americans were treated as like lesser, and there were being things said about them. And then it happens to immigrants today because people will claim that they're murderers or rapists, and really it's not them. And these are my citations.